of round number 2 as he gathers his legs.
Because Cimpa's just walking forward right again the same way as he got caught in the last time.
Again! Gets caught for the second time! An overhand right by Duno right on the chin! Drops Chimpa Gonzalez, his eyes are glazed. I don't know if they're gonna let him keep going. And it is over! A huge knockout for Romero Duno!
Nabalot ng takot ang bansang Mexico dahil sa karumal-dumal na knockout win na nagawa ng Pinoy. Magandang araw sa inyo mga idol, The Ruthless Romero Duno. Ito po ang isa sa mga pambato natin na boksingero na mayroong nakakahanga at impresibong kartada. Na noon po ay inaasahan na magiging isa sa mga pambato nating boksingero na magdadala ng watawat ng Pilipinas sa gitna ng ring. Isa sa mga di malilimutang laban nitong si Duno mga idol ay nung makaharap na po nito ang undefeated rising superstar nitong bansang Mexico na si The Chimpa, Christian Gonzalez, na mayroong kartadang 16 na panalo, walang talo, at may 14 na nanakaut sa kanyang 16 na naipanalong mga laban. Sa laban ay idiniklara pong dihado sa laban ng ating kababayan na mayroong kartadang 12 panalo, may 1 talo, at may 11 nanakaut sa kanyang 12 na ipanalong mga laban. At dahil nga sa merong isa ng talo ang ating kababayan, ay kaya naman hindi nirespeto ang Pinoy na dumayo na ito kahit na meron pa itong 70% knockout win rate sa kanyang mga sinagawang laban. Inaasahan po na magiging pataba lamang sa kartada ng Mexicanong ito ang ating kababayan, pero mababalot po ng kalungkutan ang loob ng pinangyarihan ng laban dahil sa kanila po kasing masasaksiyan sa kung papaano nga ba magbigay ng takot ang Pinoy na nasa kanila ngayong harapan. Kaya naman ay huwag na po nating patagalin pa at sabay-sabay na po natin ngayong panoorin ang laban ng ating kababayan.
And El Animal, Jason Quigley. Chimpa Gonzalez in the custom Everlast gloves. They're white. Ruthless Romero Duno, 12-1 from General Santos City with the black glove. You wonder the nickname Chimpa? Well, we've said in the past, we've always got to say it because it's a pretty cool nickname. When he was a toddler, you know that Christmas toy where a chimpanzee is playing the cymbals, going back and forth like that? Well, they had that at his house at Christmas, and he started emulating that, and they're like, oh, he looks like a...
Sa laban ay maagang nagpapakawala ng mga madidiing suntok itong si Duno. Para sa gayon nga ay maagang makalamang sa laban. Hindi po inintindi ng Mexicanong ito ang mga ginagawa ng ating kababayan na kung saan ay kalmado lamang sa kanyang mga ginagawa. Pero nagbago po ito mga idol nung mapuruhan na siya nitong si Duno na agad umabante ng umabante para sa gayon ay mag-deliver ng pressure sa ating kababayan.
Little chimpanzee, and as you know with Mexicans, anytime you get a nickname, it will stick with you forever. And that's where the nickname Chimpa, he is now using it as his logo and as his brand. Opening round against Romero Duno. Chimpa 16-0, trained by father Oscar Gonzalez Sr. Coming out very aggressive is Chimpa Gonzalez.
Beto, I think early on, this is exactly where Chimpa wants to be. If he's going to be able to establish that jab, I think he'll be content to actually move outside a little bit. But if he can get in close, he's one of those taller fighters, Jason. Despite his build, they seem to be more comfortable inside than on the perimeter.
Yeah, you know, I think he's boxing very well right now. He's establishing his jab, which I said earlier on, I think is key in any fight. You know, I think his punches are definitely looking stronger and more effective than his punches right now.
This is Ruthless Romero Duno. Ruthless because of his style. He just comes at you. We saw that clip of him fighting in the mall in the Philippines. He will stand there with you.
And you know what the problem is right now? He's standing in with Chimpa, who I just really thought landed a very good-looking left hook.
A lot of people watching this fight all over the United States, also in Mexico. The Olympian just signed a Golden Boy, Raul Curiel Garcia. El Cougar, you know him at the gym in Carson, from Tamaulipas, Mexico. He's watching us in Lake Elsinore. He will be making his pro debut on the Canelo Chavez card in Las Vegas. If you don't speak English and you're watching Ring TV, you know you're dedicated to us, Steve.
Some would say you're better off that way. But Jason, I think moving on, I know one thing Chimpa seems to believe that he's a stronger puncher. I think one mistake he can't make is to continue inside without at least throwing that jab in front of him.
Yeah, definitely. You know, he needs to use that key and he needs to open up the door because, you know, finish. Oh, nice shot by that Chimpa.
Oh, and he goes down here in the first.
He's definitely hurt. He's
Ruthless
hurt.
Romero Duno has tagged Chimpa Gonzalez.
Hey, come here.
That's what I was saying.
Right.
earlier on,
He got tagged.
That's why you need the jab.
Commentators looking at him. Is he going to beat the clock? Final seconds of the first round, and he has no idea where he's at.
Isang diretsong kanan na saktong-sakto dito sa baba ng Mexicanong si Gonzales ang nakapagpabago sa laban. Hilong-hilo ang undefeated na ito sa ginawa nitong si Duno na kung saan ay kung hindi nga po inabot ng bell ay siguradong matatapos na agad ang laban.
You're Duno, what do you do right here, Jay?
Duno has to make sure that he doesn't go for the knockout and blow himself out because Ciampa obviously is a puncher also and could catch Duno. So this is going to be a very interesting round here now for both fighters.
Well, Steve, as you wrote in your story,
Hindi nagpalamig ang Mexicanong ito sa nangyari sa kanya na kung saan ay agad nakipagsabayan dito sa ating kababayan. Matindi rin ang tiwala nitong si Gonzales sa kanyang kakayahan na kayang-kayang gibain ng Pinoy na nasa kanyang harapan. Dahil sa hindi po talaga kasi nito nire-respeto ang bigat ng mga kamao ng ating pambato na si Romero Duno. Pero ito pala ang pinakamalaking hakbang na magagawa niya sa kanyang talang buhay nang sumugal at pilit na sumabay ng suntok sa ating kababayan.
about Chipa Gonzalez this week, his first fight with Golden Boy on this same stage, first round he was dropped.
Right, and he seems to be taking the tactic. He's going to try to smother Duno, not let him unfurl his quick hands from the outside. I do question that, though, but I think the key for him, Jason, is just to see rounds 3 and 4. Just get out of round number 2 as he gathers his legs.
Because Ciampa's just walking forward right again, the same way as he got caught the last time.
Again,
Oh!
gets caught for the second time. An overhand right by Duno, right on the chin. Drops Chipa Gonzalez. His eyes are glazed. I don't know if they're going to let him keep going. And it is over. A huge knockout for Romero Duno as Chipa Gonzalez.
Hilo-hilo itong si Gonzales sa suntok na binitawan ng Pinoy na direktang tumama sa kanyang baba. Nawala ng lakas ang tuhod itong si Gonzales dahil sa bigat ng suntok na sinapo. Nabalot ng katahimikan ng lugar na pinangyarihan dahil sa hindi nila lubos akalain na mangyayari iyon sa kanilang sinusuportahang kababayan, na kung saan ay pinaranas ng Pinoy dito sa kanilang kababayan ang matinding takot na huwag maliitin ang Pinoy kahit na ito ay mayroon ng bahid ng pagkatalo.
57 seconds in round number 2. Your winner by the way of knockout. And new WBC Youth Intercontinental Lightweight Champion. El nuevo campeón mundial juvenil intercontinental de peso ligero del CMB. General Santos City, Pilipinas. Romero Sandman Duno.
There were a lot of stories written about Duno.